Hallo Schüler, die Zahlen von 0 bis 100. We are not going to do all of the numbers from 0 to 100 in this presentation, but I want to make sure that your notes are complete up to this point. So, beginnen wir. Die Zahlen. Hello. So, as it says, these should already be in your notes. If you don't have a page in your notebook already for these numbers, pause right now, make the page in your notebook, put it in your table of contents, and copy what you see. So, if you have your notes and this page is in it, good to go. Practice saying them with me. Null, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10, 11, 12. Oh, that's the one I've been wanting you to see my lips so much for. I'll do it again. 12. So, I'll say them one more time. You say them after me. 0, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10, 11, 12. Fantastisch. Jetzt, again, if you don't have this list in your notebook, pause and put it there now. Okay, now here's the cool part. We get to 13 through 19. So look at the screen. You take 3 and you take 10 and put them together and it means 13. 13. Same thing with 14 and 15. So I'll say it, you say it. 13, 14, 15. Once again, 13, 14, 15. Okay, weiter. Just when you think you get the pattern, there are a couple of little squidgy parts. So 16, there's an S on the end of the letter of the word sechs, but they take it out for the word 16 because an S and a Z together in German is nearly impossible. 16, it's really awkward. So instead, they just do 16. Same with the EN on sieben. It's not that awkward, but just for, I think probably just for the purpose of history, eventually people are like, that's dumb that we're still saying sieben sein. Let's just say 17. So I'll say it, you say it. 16, 17. Once again, 16, 17. And then the pattern continues. 18, 19. 18, 19. So I want you to pull out your notes and write each of these if you don't have them already. So I'm going back to 13 and pause as you need to get 13 through 19 in your notes. Here we go. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, now we're ready to go by tens. I know we did this in class, but not all of you were here. So again, if you don't have this in your notebook, please put it there now. So hang of counting by tens. This is review for some, new for others. 20 is weird because it doesn't have the word zwei in it, but then 20 doesn't have the word two in it either, if you think about it. 30 is an exception because it has an S set instead of a ZIG that all of the other numbers have. Well, except 10 und 100. So, if you haven't already put these in your notes, pause, write this list now in your notebook, then unpause to listen to how they're pronounced and pronounce with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Once again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Ah, 100. Okay, Klasse, that's it for today's lesson. You ought to be ready for a quiz on these numbers that might be coming at any time. And the next little installment of our numbers fun will be learning numbers like 21 and 76 and 99. Any numbers between 20 and 100 will be what the next presentation is about. Can't wait. See you then. Die Zahlen von 0 bis 100. Tschüss.